These 5 work from home business ideas I am going to be mentioning on today's video is currently of high demand, and the need for it has never been more rampant. Now, many of these side hustle ideas that I want to mention on today's video, you'll be able to make $1,000 from it per month, and you'll be able to work just from the comfort of your home. You don't have to go to offices, you don't have to answer to anyone. Just from the comfort of your home, you'll be able to make money. And if you are new here, my name is Rukky Rich, and on this channel I talk about personal finance. So let's dive in. Number 1, CPA marketing. For those of you that are not familiar with how CPA marketing works, this is an affiliate platform that allows you to earn money by affiliating for a real human. Be able to earn money by getting people to do free tasks such as signing up for a newsletter, filling out a form. They are doing it for free, and you are earning money per person that you get to do any free task. For example, let's say I want to get more views on this video, and you as an affiliate for this video, you take my affiliate link and you paste it in front of the right audience that needs information on how to make money online. So they are watching the video for free, and you'll be able to earn money as an intermediate, as the middleman between the video producer, which is myself, the person sharing the value, which is myself, and the person that actually needs the valuable information. There are 3 things you need to do in order for you to make money with CPA marketing, and I am going to break it into 3 steps so that you have a clear understanding of how this actually works. So you need to choose a CPA network that you can affiliate for, a legit and the one that pays well. So we have Mass Bounty and we have Click Dealer. Those 2, they're actually good for CPA marketing. Maybe you are good at enticing people to do something. Maybe you're actually good with people management. Then you want to choose something like signing up for a newsletter. You have to just pitch yourself to the right audience and let them know that they are doing it for free, okay? I want you to have it in mind that your payout depends on how many people that you are able to get, and it actually depends on the tax that you want to do. So the more tax you are able to do, the higher your pay is going to be. Now, the third one is promotional strategy. You have your offer in hand, so this is where you want to start promoting whether the service or the products that you are affiliating for. Now, this is not only the most important step, this is also a step that leads you to earning money, because for you to be able to earn money, you have to get people to purchase a product or click on the link, do whatever it is that the offer says. So you want to make use of your social media platforms, the promotional strategy, and you have to be skilled as an affiliate. You have to know the right thing to say to the right people. You have to gain their trust. So you can make use of Facebook, you can make use of Instagram, you can make use of Twitter. Those 3 platforms are very good for you to promote whatever it is that you want to affiliate for. The more action people take through your link, the more you earn money. You just have to be very clever about your strategy. Now, CPA marketing is finding the right offer, reaching the right people, and turning their action into money. So I wish you good luck on that. Now, the second way to earn money is to sell scented candles. Now, if you are not familiar with how this works, this is one of the best way to make money in 2024. And the good thing about this is that it is not casted yet. Okay, now we have high consumers with low retailer rates. So if you're able to join the people that are selling scented candles, then trust me, able to earn huge money from it. And don't you worry, this is not something that you have to start producing the candle yourself, or you have to start investing more money into it. So let me show you an example of someone that makes sales of over $400,000 in a year just by selling scented candles. So this is a 26-year-old man right here. He says he brings in $462,000 a year from selling scented candles. Now, there are 3 ways to earn money just by selling scented candles. The first one is through drop shipping. That is, you have to partner with the producer of the products and sell the candles for them, and you'll be able to earn 100% commission when you drop ship. So you want to partner with a candle manufacturer or a wholesaler who offers drop shipping service, and you list their candles for sales on platforms like Etsy or Amazon, where you can sell for a higher rate and earn 100% commission from it. Commission you add to it depends on you, or you have to make market research, know the range that other sellers are selling scented candles for, and just follow the rhyme. So they will be the one to handle manufacturing, packaging and shipping directly to your customers. You don't have to do anything. Now the second method is print on demand. So all you have to do is to find a candle manufacturer who will allow you to create your own printed candles. Select the scents, the packaging, everything. Be the one to select it, because what you are doing is print on demand, right? You can go to Canva and customize the brand that you want. Let's say for example, Rukky Rich, I want to sell a product. I am not the one that manufacture it, but just because you guys are my audience, what you need, based on what you need, then I'll go to the manufacturer and tell you that I need a certain amount of scented candles and this is what I want, and I am selling it under my name as a brand, but they'll be the ones to manufacture it themselves, just like an agreement and a partnership. So yeah, you'll be able to make your profits from it. Lastly, through affiliate marketing. So if you feel like you don't want to go through the drop shipping route, you don't want to do prints on demand, you just want something small, like a small side hustle, then I advise for you to do affiliate marketing. What you are doing as an affiliate is you want to partner with established brand candles and offer to affiliate for them. Offer to place your link in front of device people that came by the internet to search for information on scented candles, and you get your own profits on it. You can get up to 50% profits just by affiliating. All you are bringing to the table is your link and the way you can pitch yourself to your audience. But one thing as an affiliate, you have to have a platform that you want to promote. You have to let whosoever you are partnering with, the manufacturer and all of that, you have to let them know that you have where you want to promote their candle on. People really appreciate scented candles, especially when it is customized to whatever it is that they like, which is print on demand. So this is a very good business ideas to start, because it is not limited to a specific audience. Elderly people can buy scented candles, youth can buy scented candles, kids, their parents can buy scented candles for them. As long as, you know, some people will be like, this is the flavor that I want. The job as someone that is doing print in demand, you'll be able to, you know, sell for them whatever it is that they want, and they'll be happy. It's a win-win, and I wish you good luck on that. Now the third work from home business idea is to become a calligrapher. Now calligraphy is the art of having a beautiful handwriting and monetizing it. This is something that people devalue about themselves so much. Everyone tends to have a beautiful handwriting, and you can as well monetize it. Any startup businesses that want a unique touch on their logo, their brand, then they used to hire a calligrapher to get the job done for them, and that is where you come in. You don't even have to have any skill at all for you to get this done. The fourth one is become a translator. Now this is a skill that will forever be in high demand, and I actually have a detailed video on that. It should be right here, or if it's not here, then you'll find it in my description. I have a very detailed video on that, and you can earn more than $1,000 per week depending on how much you are ready to put in the work and pitch yourself. What you'll be doing as a translator is to translate video, text and content from a specific language to another. So let's say as a translator, you want to work for a brand, you want to work for someone, all you have to do is to translate from English to French, for example, and you'll be able to earn money from it. So we have 3 different ways you can earn money as a translator. You can earn money through working freelance on Fiverr, you can earn money through affiliating, and you can also earn money by working with content creators on YouTube. So let's say a content creator on YouTube actually has a channel, and the language that their video entails is like Korean, for example. So you as a translator, what you are going to do is to go to that YouTuber, give them a compelling offer by offering to translate that Korean language to a different language. So for example, English, Italian. So you'll be able to translate that video without hurting the video to a different language, and they'll be able to monetize this. You just have to work hands in hand with that creator, and they will pay you money as a translator. Also, if you want to work as a freelance on Fiverr, what you're going to do is to submit your work portfolio. You don't have to pitch yourself as a translator. Your portfolio is going to get that done for you. Lastly, you can become a translator by affiliating for translating platforms. So there is actually a very good one that you can use, which is Rask AI. I have a detailed video on that, like I said. So you can go to Rask AI, learn to become a translator for totally free. And everything is fast. You don't have to start learning for like weeks and all of that. You can learn how to become a translator in a day. You just have to dedicate your time to it, and you'll be able to earn money from this. So if you want to go through the freelance route on Fiverr, you'll be able to earn from $30 to $100. Just depend on the amount of work that you want to do. If it's something like 5 minutes work, then you'll be able to earn like $30 from people that you want to work for. And if you want to work as an affiliate on Ask AI, then you'll be able to earn affiliate commission. And if you want to work with YouTubers, that one will earn you the highest amount of money. So let's say that the language I speak on my video is Yoruba language. You as a translator, you come to me and offer to translate my speech from this particular language to a different language in order to reach a broad and wide audience, so that I'll be able to, monetize that when they can earn money from it. And creators love money, so why not? And you'll be able to get your cut as a translator for them, or they'll be able to pay you hourly. Number 5, become a long form video editor. The need for a video editor has never been more obvious. Like, I need a video editor. All creators out there needs a video editor. So if you're able to polish yourself, be professional, pitch yourself, submit your portfolio, give our creators a compelling offer by offering to edit their first video for free, and tell them your package, your rate, the creators will work with you as long as your portfolio entails jobs that are actually neat. Now you'll be able to earn at least $100 per package, and some people $150 per package, which is actually a nice way for you to make money. Let's say that you meet a creator that you want to work for, and weekly they post at least 3 videos on their YouTube channel, and per month they post 12 videos, and you be the one to edit all those videos for them. Imagine the amount that they are going to pay you. And there's one thing about YouTube creators, they actually pay good for their video editors. You just have to make sure that your work is very professional, that what that YouTuber can actually do themselves. Because if your work is not one step ahead of what they can do, they'll be like, what is the essence of them paying you? If you're able to work for at least 3 creators per month, imagine that you'll be able to turn this into your permanent business that you can do. I know of a video editor that has employees that is working under him. You can employ people to work for you. The more job you get from creators, the more money that you can earn. You don't have to have any skill for you to become a long form video editor for YouTubers. I edit my videos myself currently, and I don't have any skill. I did not invest any money. So all you have to do is just to go to YouTube and search for how to edit videos. So the more you edit, the more experience you are going to get from it. And you can make use of software like Canva for start, totally free. On your phone, on your laptop, totally free. So the more you edit videos, the more experience you become, and the more professional your job is going to look. And when you want to reach out to creators, reach out to them through their email address. You will see it in their profile on YouTube. Any creator that you enjoy their videos and you love watching their video, so just offer to become a creator for them and send them a professional email. And if you feel like they will have someone that is editing videos for them, you can never tell unless you try it out. So I wish you good luck on that. So yeah, that brings us right to the end of today's video, and I wish you guys good luck. If you gain any value from this video, don't forget to leave a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, share this video to anyone that needs to see this video, because this video has a lot of value in it. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video, and don't forget to check out the video on the translator. I'll link it in the description. I'll write translator. So yeah, I wish you guys good luck, and bye bye.